Talk to me. What you mean
Out of
about where we are?
the crossroads is a disgrace. They don't come look all the place out. They disgrace the truth.
It flood all the while?
Yes.
And what you want to see happen?
One night them come look about it. They try and look about.
Yeah, man, me like how you have video the thing, you know, be sure you say the water is a well dangerous, you know. The one you have to fix, solve out, good. Big up yourself. No respect. That's how me have to drive in the water and that little thing. Match up to yourself.
So basically, we're going so at the rarest road work ever in our history. But I like to ask Mr. Andrew Holness when the people of St. Thomas are going to get road. Because all know we not get no road. You understand? And what is been happening here, me never faced this in my whole life yet. So I have my business here, so, and the road work caused my business to flood out. You understand? This sidewalk area where they make right here, so it a create havoc. Because the old people them, when them leave out of my business place and I try to get onto the sidewalk, them them just a fall down and spread out, mad for break them hand and them foot and all of them thing there. And this is not acceptable. You understand? It's not acceptable none at all. And we need justice. Well, need Virgin, how the pump cut. Why not for cut? Yeah, man, but use them on a true now. Yeah, man, as I was saying, this is not acceptable. And if I this me have to go vote for, it not gonna work. You understand? Never ever work. So if I my vote for the Jamaica Labour Party win, them are gonna lose. I tell you that. It can't work.